How to fix photo mode missing in TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix photo mode missing in TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure your app is up to date. To check, open Play Store or App Store and search TikTok. If there is any update button, tap update and update to the latest version. Secondly, you need to make sure you have cleared all the cache. To do that, long press on app icon and select eye icon in order to access app info page of TikTok. Select storage uses and tap on clear cache. Clearing cache will remove all the box from TikTok. And now you need to check whether photo mode missing in TikTok issue has been resolved or not. If not yet, you can easily reinstall app and then re-log into your account. By following this step, your photo mode missing issues in TikTok should be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.